Fairness and downtown safety have been major talking points for those in the running to become Spokane's next mayor. But it turns out some candidates' proposed solutions have been in the works for months at the Spokane Police Department. That's thanks to the $5.8 million public safety levy passed by voters in February. We knew that money would hire more police officers, but we weren't exactly sure what it would look like at the Spokane Police Department until now. KXLY4's Taylor Graham is live with a first look at how the department is planning to put your money to use. Taylor?
Well, Ariana, mayoral candidates have proposed putting more officers downtown, putting a bigger focus on mental health, and providing more resources for property crime. It turns out the Spokane Police Department is one step ahead of them. They've been working towards those solutions since last fall, and it turns out their ideas may soon become a reality.
When we become police officers, all of us become police officers because we really do want to help people. We want to help the community.
But Chief Craig Meidel says it's getting harder and harder to help.
When you are so busy that you feel like you're going on call after call and all you're able to do is really put a Band-Aid on it, and you're not really solving anything because you have 10 other calls waiting, and those people have been waiting for quite a while as well, you know, it can lead to a lot of frustration.
That frustration may be fading soon, though, thanks to $1 million in levy money approved by voters for the Spokane Police Department.
It is inspiring that the community was willing to pay more money out of their pockets for more officers.
17 new officers, to be exact, setting out to address some of the city's biggest concerns.
So we know, for example, that out of all of the property crimes in the city, we actually have an opportunity to investigate 20 to 25% of them.
The department is hoping to bring on 3 new property crimes detectives, on top of stationing 5 new officers downtown, plus 2 others to expand SPD's homeless outreach program.
Their role is to really go out there and contact individuals that are having a crisis, do what we can to divert them either from the emergency rooms or the jails, and line them up with long-term service.
And there are even more new positions on the table to cut down on overtime and burnout. But most importantly, Meidel says this levy will help officers focus on what got them into this line of work in the first place, helping others.
What this levy will do and what these officers specifically will help us do is to provide that level of service that we've always wanted to provide.
The City Council will be voting on SPD's proposal in the next couple weeks on June 24th, I should say. Now, if it does pass, it will take a while to see these changes take effect because the levy money won't take effect until January, and it does take a while to train those officers. It does take about up to a year and a half for new officers to be trained. Reporting live from the windy sky deck tonight, Taylor Graham, KXLY4 News.
Thank you, Taylor.